So I tried scrapbooking, and the theme of this is Avengers and Harry Potter, which is the two fandoms I am in. And here is how it looks. I think it looks really good. And comment below if you got all of these references, because like there's something related to each of these drawings or the stuff I've stuck on it. But I'll explain it anyways for the people who did not understand. So we have Captain Marvel, the Avengers logo, Spider-Man logo. Then there's this like random black to red ombre kind of cardboard thingy I've stuck on it, which is because of the Avenger colors, like black and red is kind of popular among all of these Avenger themed stuff. Then there's Loki's crown, Hogwarts logo, Hawkeye's bow and arrow, a gun cause Natasha. Then there's some quotes from the Endgame movie, like whatever it takes, I am Iron Man, we won Mr. Stark. Wait, let's go to the top again. I'll explain it from the top. Then there's the Hogwarts robe, then Wakanda Forever, Lumos Nox from Harry Potter, the glasses and scar from Harry Potter, Wingardium Leviosa, Expecto Patronus. The new series Loki. It is so good, and I've drawn many things from the series. So like the logo of it, then the new character Sylvie, there's the Elder Wand, Iron Man's hand. Also, I forgot the word wasp, so I just wrote Ant-Man in brackets woman. I don't know why, I just forgot the word wasp. So like I had to write like Ant-Man and the Wasp because she was from that movie. But then I just forgot the word, so I just wrote Ant-Man brackets woman. Anyways, there's Wanda's the red streaks and stuff. Then there's Vision's Mind Stone. Then Always from Harry Potter, the axe, R.I.P. Iron Man, and his glasses which he gave to Spider-Man in Spider-Man Far From Home. Then like the black and red themed thing again for Black Widow. Then there's a Halloween pumpkin from Harry Potter, the Captain America shield with like the wing thing for the other series, Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Then I've drawn the Elder Wand, the Hogwarts letter burning in fire. Some more quotes from the Endgame movie, I Love You 3000. Troll in the Dungeon from Harry Potter, the first movie. I Am Groot, the raccoon. Loki's scepter, then It's Leviosa from Harry Potter again. And spoiler alert, TVA is from the new Loki series. Then of course the Infinity Stone, Avada Kedavra. Few more logos, Thor's hammer, Reducto, and the aluminium foil is like for vibranium from Black Panther. Then Sirius Black, and this, if you've seen the meme, there's like two cats, there's a black cat and there's this brown cat. It's like Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore. And then of course the iconic Avengers Assemble. And yep, that's it. Bye.